Today, we will show you how to replace the charging port of your cart. First, remove the screws securing the seat and battery compartment cover to access the wires. Once done, disconnect the charging port from the control box. Slightly loosen the prongs to remove the charging port from the white plastic cover. Then, remove the screws securing the charging port cover in place. Finally, you can now replace it with the new one. Once replaced, insert the prongs back into the white cover and reconnect it to the control box. Make sure the charging port cover is screwed back into place. And you're all done. Thanks for watching.